this is Lite coming to you with another hair review on Crochet Braids. As you can see, I am actually wearing braids this time. If you watched my other videos, I was wearing crochet braids, but it was in the curly textures. And those curly textures is what introduced me to the crochet hairstyle. I fell in love, but what I will say is that I am in love with the braids, okay? And I like the braids more than I like the curly hair, okay? Hear me out, hear me out. I know I was singing the curly hair's praises, don't get me wrong, but hey, if you're in like a lazy phase or a lazy moment in your life, but you still want to look flawless, get the braids, okay? Because this is truly a get up and go hairstyle. With the curly hair, every day, okay, you would have to get up and cut the knotted ends, the frizz, and basically moisturize the hair depending on what texture and what brand that you get. I mean, I haven't found a brand out there that you don't have to do all that with. But with the braids, I mean, there is no knotting. There's, I mean, I don't know, maybe Freetress, this is the brand that I'm using. It's just like the bomb. I haven't tried other braid brands, but these are the Nigerian Braids. It's pre-stretched and it is 24 inches. The pre-stretch pretty much just means that, you know, it's already dipped and straightened out, which I love because you don't have to do like the extra work. If you guys know about boiling the water and dipping the hair, you can either curl it and all that stuff. I ain't have time for all that. It already came ready-made, okay? The 24 inches is giving me life. Like, I'm gonna get up and show you guys. Let you look and see how long it is. Wait a minute. Well, do you guys see that? I mean, is that touching my butt? Like, what? Okay, wait, let me straighten my back out. Yeah, it comes down like pretty long. Like, oh my gosh, like I love this hair. Like, look at that, like that's so cute. Woo, if I should say so myself, honey. What do I have to say about this hair? This is just gonna be a quick review. I will do a tutorial if it's requested. So if you would like to see a tutorial on how I did this style, there is a poll. I don't know if it's here or there. Just hit yes or no and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. The braid, the cornrow pattern that I did, I got a little creative. I didn't do like the simple 6 cornrows going back. I got fancy, y'all. I did like 6 up front, and then I did like another 6 in the back. I mean, I'll insert the picture for you guys to see that, what I did. And then I did kind of like a little sew down or whatever. I don't know. Listen, I wanted my braids to be flawless, so I took my time and I did like something a little different, and I'm pretty happy with it. With this style, even though you see me wearing it with a part, I mean, that was on purpose. Like, I wanted a part in the middle, but I also can wear it up. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see. Yeah, so I can put these braids up if I want. I didn't really create the style to have it up in the back. The next time I do that, I'm going to have it do a style to where I can wear it up in the back. But I think that looks cute too, like wearing it up if I want to. We'll have to go in the mirror to like style it more, but wow, I mean, look how like natural that looks. Like, that really looks like somebody done braided my hair into this box braid style. But guess what, baby? It's crochet. It's crochet. Very easy. Get up and go. Warnings. Let me say warnings. You got to be careful with the weight of the hair. I bought 5 packs. I got 3 in number 2, and I also got 2 packs in color T27. When I did this style and I finished, I don't know if you can notice that there's like a little space, like hair, like kind of pushed back from the part. I am somewhat of a perfectionist when it comes to my hair. I want it to look as natural as possible. So what I did was I crocheted in a bunch of braids right here and a bunch of braids right there. Honey, That didn't stay in my head, not even for 24 hours before my scalp started to scream, literally scream. It got red, it was irritating. I was like, wait a minute, this is not working. So I took all that mess out, all of it, okay? And then I immediately oiled my scalp. I oiled my scalp with avocado oil, and that's pretty much it, just avocado oil. I do have like a little spray that I do on my scalp every other day. It's water, avocado oil, and I also have chunks of aloe in here, which is good. It keeps my hair very moisturized. I don't know if it reads well on camera, but my hair is like so luxurious. And from what I can tell so far, the oil that I've been putting on my scalp, it doesn't affect the hair in a negative way. It's still, it doesn't get stiff or anything. It's very flexible, because I love to have movement. I love to shake my hair. I just love it. Yeah, so I would say be careful about how many packs that you put in there. Even though I did, my screen just went crazy. I don't know if you noticed. Even though I bought the 5 packs, I only used about 4 packs and probably like 5 or 6 braids of that 5th pack. Even with that in my head, I noticed that it was kind of like too heavy. So what I did was I went in and I took some braids out until it got to like kind of like a level that I'm comfortable with, because I do not want that many braids in my hair, because the whole point of this is it's a protective style, and you definitely want your hair to grow and to flourish and be like the bomb.com. Like, I love my afro. I'll probably like post a picture of it, or I'll probably do a video on my actual natural hair. But yeah, you have to be careful with that. Let me see what else I have to say about that. Pretty much that's it. I mean, it's just easy. I mean, I love it. It's a quick hairstyle. If you want me to do a tutorial, let me know. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram at Intuitive Lights. Look at the description if you need the actual spelling. And that's it. That's it. I enjoyed talking to you guys. Comment below and let me know what you think. Bye-bye.